Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we come with a new toy, the Blaze Storm Hot Fire Gun toy. Let's open the box now. This is our hot fire gun with 10 soft foam bullets, having 5 foam bullets and 5 suction dart bullets. Let's discuss the functions. Easy to operate. Just load the bullet or suction darts. And pull the lever at the back. Then just trigger and fire. Let's go for the test. Dear friend, please like and share our video. And if you come for the first time on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe for more toy unboxing video. Let's go for the test. Thanks for watching friends. Thank you.